In this video, we're going to look at how to solve a differential equation. So this question says dy by dx equals to ln x, where x is positive or x is greater than 0, given that y equals 2 at x equals 1. So what we're going to do, we say, right, okay, dy by dx is equal to ln of x. So what we do here in a differential equation, we want to separate all the y variables and all the x variables on one side. So all the y variables on one side and all the x variables on the other side. So I'm going to put dx with ln x. So dy is on its own. Then we get ln x dx. And then once we've got all the y variables on one side and all the x variables on the other side, we integrate both sides with respect to whatever we have. Now, in our case, the integration of dy will simply be y. The integration of ln x is the standard integral you should know is x ln x minus x plus the arbitrary constant c. Now, what we can say here is, well, we've been given some boundary conditions that y equals 2 and x equals 1. So I'm going to plug in y to be 2, x is 1, so it's 1 ln 1 minus 1 plus c. Well, ln1 is 0, so that will give me 2 equals to 0 minus 1 plus c. So we end up with 2 minus 1 plus c, which implies that c equals to 3. So by adding 1 on both sides, so plus 1 here, plus 1 here. So now we could write our final equation as y equals 2 x ln x minus x plus the value of c, which is 3. So the next question says express y in terms of x when dy by dx equals y plus 2 times 2x plus 1 when y equals 2 and x equals 0. So what I'm going to do is write it as the following. So I'm going to get all the y terms on one side. So I get dy over y plus 2. So all my y terms on one side. And then all my x terms on the other side. So I get 2x plus 1 dx. So now I can integrate both of these. So a nice way to write this is 1 over y plus 2 dy. And the other side is 2x plus 1 integrated with respect to x. So that gives me ln mod y plus 2 equals to 2x squared over 2 plus x plus c. So now I can get ln mod y plus 2 equals x squared plus x plus c. Now we need to go back and read our boundary conditions. Y equals 2 and x equals 0. So we can say that ln 4 equals to 0 plus c. So ln 4 equals c. So we can say therefore ln y plus 2 equals to x squared plus x plus ln 4. But here's the key thing. They want the solution in terms of y. So now what we can do is bring ln 4 on the other side. So we get ln mod y plus 2 minus ln 4 equals to x squared plus x. Using the laws of logs, I can write that as ln mod y plus 2 divided by 4 equals to x squared plus x. I want to find y, so I'm going to use anti-log or e to both sides. So I get the ln e cancel, so I get y plus 2 over 4 equals e to the x squared plus x. So then I end up with y plus 2 equals 4 times e to the x squared plus x. And then therefore y equals 4 times e to the x squared plus x minus 2.